demons and angels, purpose. They fly around while we are walking and mold our emotions just to please them. I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no fear, and the ground touches my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet as I sing. All we are is an isle of flightless birds. We find our worth in giving birth and stuff. We're landing our homes against winding roads, and we think the going is tough. We pick songs to sing, remind us of things that nobody cares about. And honestly, we're probably more suicidal